How to add a method for receiving commissions. This article will guide you on adding a method to receive the commissions you earn as an affiliate in Systeme.io. To proceed, make sure you have the following: an active Systeme.io account, completed at least one affiliate sale.to begin. Follow these steps. Click on your profile picture, indicated as number 1 in the image, to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings, indicated as number 2 in the image. Go to Affiliate Commissions Payment Settings, number 3 in the image, then choose Payment Method. Number 4 in the image. You will have two options for receiving commissions: PayPal or Wise Transfer. PayPal. All you have to do is to add the email address of your PayPal account, then save your method of receiving commissions. Wire Transfer. To add a bank details, click on Add Bank Details. You will then have to add the account holder's name and choose the type of recipient, inside or outside Europe. You need after that choose a recipient type, person, personal, or business. You will then need to add your bank code, BIC/SWIFT, IBAN, and click on Save, number 5 in the image, to complete your bank details. Finally, you have to save the affiliation commission payment method you have just added by clicking on Save, number 6 in the image. Notes: it is important to set up a dedicated commission payment method for each of your currencies on which you have earned commission, if you want to be paid by bank transfer, contrary to the PayPal method. A single configuration is all you need. It should be noted that if you haven't made any affiliate sales, you can't add a method of receiving commissions with wire transfer.